So student, you have studied what is supply schedule and what is supply curve. As you all know that supply curve means it is a graphical representation of the supply schedule, and this curve is also two type, that is individual supply curve and the market supply curve. Individual supply curve means that is the graphical presentation of the supply of the single producer, and market supply schedule means it is the graphical presentation of more than one producer or many producers. So how you will make the graph of individual supply curve and the market supply curve. So first of all individual supply curve. इंडिविजुअल सप्लाई कर्व में अभी हमने आपको जैसे ग्राफ शेड्यूल बना के बताया था दैट दिस इज द प्राइस ऑफ एक्स कमोडिटी and these are the units of X commodity of Mr. A. Suppose the price of the commodity is 5, then price are increasing by 5 rupees, and at rupees 5 the supply will be 0, and as the price start increasing the supply also increases. So this is individual supply schedule of Mr. A. Now how you can make the graph of supply schedule from the supply schedule, that is this is supply curve. In x-axis you are plotting the units of X commodity, and here you are plotting the price of X commodity. So students, the price are 5, 10, 15 and 20, and the supply is 0, then 10, 20, 30. Now see how you will make the graph. At rupees 5 your supply will be 0. So this is price of rupees 5 and the supply is 20, 0. So your supply curve start from this particular point. And when your price starts increasing, the price will be 10, the supply is also 10. So next will be at this point. If the price will be 15, so the supply is how much? 20. And if the price is 20, then supply is how much? Supply will be 30. So these are the different points. So we will join these points to get the supply curve. ये points को हम join करेंगे, and in this way you will get the supply curve. This is known as individual supply curve. This is the supply of single producer. And when we are talking about the market supply curve, so it means more than one producer or many producers. So first of all, this is the supply schedule of market supply schedule. This is the price of X commodity, and this is units of X commodity of A producer, and this is the unit of X commodity of B producer. And this is market supply. Market supply means जब हम दोनों ही producers की supply को add कर देंगे A plus B, तो you will get market supply. Suppose the price is 5, 10, 15 and 20, and the supply of A producer is 0, 10, 20 and 30. Then how much is the at that particular price? This will be the supply of B producer, that at rupees 5 producer supply will be 0, and then the producer's supply will be increasing, that is 5, this is 10 and this is 15. So this is the supply of A producer and this is the supply of B producer. जब हम दोनों को add कर देंगे तो it will become market supply. Then it is 0, 10 plus 5 it is 15, 20 plus 30 it is 30, and 30 plus 15 it is 45. Now we are making the market supply curve. Market supply curve, you know student, that is the supply of many producer or two producers. So you have plotted x-axis and y-axis. X-axis में हम plot करेंगे units of X commodity, and here we are plotting the price of X commodity. So the price is 5, 10, 15, 20, and the market supply will be 0, then 10, 20, 30, 40, and this will be 50. Now first of all, you have add this, we have to make the market supply curve. So at rupees 5 the market supply will be 0, so the supply curve will start from this particular point. At rupees 10 the market supply is how much? 15. यहाँ 15 ये हमारा 15 आएगा. So this will be your second point of supply, then at rupees 15 the supply will be how much? 30. So this is the next point. And at rupees 20 the supply will be how much? 45. So we will join all these points. Your supply curve, this is the point of origin of supply curve. यहाँ पे से start हो रही है and in this way the supply curve will be moving upward. ये है अभी market supply curve. So this is individual supply curve and this is known as market supply curve. That is supply of A and B producer both. Two producers are there. So this is the individual supply curve and this is market supply curve. Now supply curve and its slope. Supply curve and its slope. You know student, the slope of the supply curve is upward moving. देखिए जिस तरह से प्राइस बढ़ता जा रहा है अपनी सप्लाई भी बढ़ती जा रही है तो it is moving upward. So the slope of supply curve is straight line moving upward. That is change in P upon change in Q. प्राइस चेंज हो रहा है तो क्वांटिटी भी चेंज हो रही है तो स्लोप ऑफ सप्लाई कर्व जो होगी दैट इज इट इज मूविंग अपवर्ड मूविंग है मूविंग एंड इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज पॉजिटिवली स्लोप. सप्लाई और प्राइस में जो रिलेशन है वो पॉजिटिवली स्लोप है पॉजिटिव है एंड इट इज मूविंग अपवर्ड and a straight line curve is moving upward. It shows that when the price of the goods increases the supply of all goods also increases. That means the producer is supplying goods in the market and when the price of the goods are increasing so he will supply more commodities in the market. So that is why the supply curve is upward moving and it is a straight line. So the slope of supply curve is upward moving curve and it is shows that the positive relation between the price of the commodity and the supply of the commodity.